Good morning everyone. Now today we will going to start the volume. Okay. Now in this first of all we will go one by one. First of all we find volume of cuboid. So volume of an object. What do you mean by volume? First of all you must know what you mean by volume. The volume of an object is the measure of the space it occupies, and the capacity of an object, we can say capacity also of an object, is the volume of the substance, its interior that can accommodate. Hence, the unit of measurement of the either of the two is cubic unit. So, volume of a cuboid is base area into height, that is base area is length into breadth into height. Volume of cube is h into h, that is a cube. So this is all about the volume. There is big difference between volume and surface area. Whenever we are talking about capacity, we will find its volume, and the surface area we are talking about the outer boundaries. Okay, outer surface, lateral surface area, total surface area. So here now we will, when we are talking about the capacity, we will calculate volume. Let's begin the exercise 13.5. That is question number 1. One matchbox is there whose measurements are given: 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. What is the volume of a packet that contain 12 such boxes? Means one packet is there in which 12 boxes are there. So we will write it: length, breadth and height of a matchbox which is in the shape of cuboid. So length is 4, breadth is 2.5 and height is 1.5 centimeter. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height, that is volume of matchbox. So 4 into 2, 25 into 1.5, getting 15 centimeter cube. And volume of 12 such boxes is equal to 12 multiplied by 15, that is equal to 180 centimeter cube. In this way we will calculate the volume. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. In this question number 2, one cuboidal water tank is there, whose length is given 6 meter, breadth is given 5 meter, and the height is given 4.5 meter. How many liter of water it can hold? It can hold means capacity. So length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter, and height is 4.5 meter. Capacity is equal to volume, that is equal to length into breadth into height. So 6 into 5 into 4.5, which is equal to 135 meter cube. And it is asked liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 135 meter cube is equal to 135 multiplied by 1000. That is 1,35,000 liter of water this tank can hold. Okay. So in this way we will calculate capacity. Coming to next question number 4, we will do. Next question number 3, you can take it as a homework. Question number 4, find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit. Cuboidal pit means here gadda. Okay, so we need to dig one cuboidal pit which is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 7 meter deep, and the cost is at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So let's write down the length, that is 8 meter, breadth is 6 meter and height is 3 meter. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height of cuboidal pit, that is 8 into 6 into 3, that is 144 meter cube, and we need to find the cost, so we'll multiply by 30. The cost of digging the cuboidal pit is equal to 30 multiplied by 144, which is equal to rupees 4320. After this we will do the next one, that is question number 5. Now in this question again, here it is said that the capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter. One tank is there and its capacity is mentioned 50,000 liter. We need to find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively, means length and depth are given, that is 2.5 meter and 10 meter. So let's begin the solution. Here length is given how much? 2.5 meter. Breadth is given 10 meter, that is height. We need to find breadth, that is B. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height, that is also the capacity of a tank. So multiply 2 into B into 25 into B into 10, getting 25 B meter cube, and capacity is given 50,000 liter. Convert liter into meter cube, we will divide by 1000 because 1000 centimeters out 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 250B is equal to 25B is equal to 50, so B is equal to 2. Thus the breadth of a tank is 2 meter. After this we will do question number 6. In this question number 6, one village is there having population of 4000. One village whose population is 4000 and it required 150 liter of water per head per day, means for per person it required 150 liter of water. It has a tank which measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. These are the dimensions. For how many days will the water of this tank will last? Means for how many days the water of this tank will last? First of all, we will calculate length, breadth and height, that is volume. Means how many days it is last. So first of all, capacity we will calculate. So length, breadth and height is given. So volume of this tank is equal to length into breadth into height, 20 into 15 into 16, that is 1800 meter cube. Since 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, so capacity is equal to 1800 multiplied by 1000 liter. So we are getting in liter. Now since 150 liter of water is consumed per day by per person or per head, so amount of water that is required by 4000 people will be equal to how much? 150 multiplied by 4000 liter. Now let the required number of days be x. So 4000 multiplied by 150 into x is equal to the total capacity of the tank. On simplifying, we are getting x is equal to 3. So that is the required number of days. So for 3 days the water will last for the person of 4000 people 1 liter water, 150 liter water per day per head. Okay, so how many days it required? 3 days. Coming to next, it is question number 9. Now in this question it is said that one river is there which is 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide, is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea? How much water will be fall into a sea in a minute, means in 1 minute. Here you can see this is the figure that I have taken. Now the water flowing at the rate per hour in 1 hour 2 km, means length will be considered. Okay, so the water flowing in a river will be considered in the form of cuboidal length, that is 2 km. To convert kilometer into meter, we will get 2000 meter. Breadth is 40, height is 3. Volume of water, that is volume of cuboid, is equal to length into breadth into height, that is 3 2000 into 40 into 3. Now this is the volume of water which is flows in 1 hour. 1 hour containing 60 minutes. So we need to find in a minute, means 1 minute. So we'll divide by 60. So this total volume will be divided by 60. So 2000 into 40 divided into 3 divided by 60. After calculation, we are getting 4000 meter cube. So in this way, we will solve this question. I hope the solution is clear. Rest you can do it as a homework. Thank you.